In this video, I will show you how you can make $1,000 a day to $5,000 a day from a 25 million company in 3 steps using 3 minutes of your time using maturity and my artificial intelligence software Epic. My software Epic will help you get results faster with its built-in artificial intelligence. Epic is free for you to try. Link is in the description. You can get it anytime you want. This system is 100% free. You are going to get paid via PayPal, by bank transfer, or via digital currency like cryptocurrency if you want. An honest disclaimer, no one make millions of dollars overnight. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you watch this video, learn this simple step-by-step system and use it consistently, just like everyone else, there are huge chances that you will also be able to make money online starting today. So the chance for the beginners to get fast results using this new maturity system is super high. We know this system works because right now we follow the same system and get visitors from YouTube 100% free using 3 minutes of work with our software Epic. And we make $5 from every visitor we get from our videos, $5,000 from 1,000 visitors. And we made over $40,000 from around 7,300 visitors from our videos. To make these videos, we use our software Epic. If you hate being on the camera, I have a good news for you because we don't need to use cameras. Epic allows us to make videos using simply copying and pasting free images, links, and texts. We don't need to record our voice using microphone because Epic makes natural voice over using text-to-voice technology. Epic writes the scripts for our videos using built-in artificial intelligence with a push of a button. And all the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to our videos as well. From inside their user dashboard, they can use our videos as templates and make their own videos using them. But we are not going to stop there. We will show you how these guys are making a lot of money, literally millions of dollars in this new maturity method and how you can start making the same starting today. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Go get it. Before we begin, I want to talk about today's sponsor. Today's sponsor of this video is you. Yes, you are the sponsor of this video. We made this video and all our other videos in our channel for you, our viewers. So you can learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way without making mistakes, without wasting your time, without wasting money and energy. All we want from you is simply a hit in the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. When you hit the like button, YouTube knows that this is a good video and they will show this video to more and more people. And that will serve our sole purpose of touching as many hearts as possible, changing as many lives as possible. And when you subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you first as the most important viewer when we upload our next how to make money online video. And when you share this video with your friends and family and social media contacts and all the social groups that you are part of, you will show your utmost generosity by sharing how to make money online information with others and take your part in changing lives. They will see your generosity, they will follow you, and they will eventually become your first customers. So go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with everyone. If you have a habit of watching YouTube videos and learn from many different experts, many different methods, then you must be confused. Just like I was when I started back in 2010. I learned from many different people, tried many different methods, but I did not continue doing one method for a long time. So I never get any results from any system. I was stuck, I was confused, and my success of being able to make money online was completely uncertain. After long failure, I realized the lack of maturity in my thoughts and actions. So I chose one successful person as a mentor and I started following his advice blindly, and I decided to continue following that one mentor and taking action relentlessly until I get results. And now I have a 7-figure per year software company. A lot of our revenues come from our videos that we make from our software Epic. This channel alone got 64,000 views in last 90 days. Multiply the visitors with $5, you can imagine how much money was made from this video. Today I saw someone super successful posted about realization and maturity, and the post got 216,000 views organically. So I thought, let's take this as an example and break it down in front of you, my viewers, step by step how this person is so successful. So you can learn, follow them, and make money. Before we begin, Quora.com is a $25 million to $50 million company, and they have 632 million monthly visitors. And people like Sherry Cam is using Quora very smartly and promoting a paid app and making money in the process. The best part is you can do it too if you follow these simple steps. She posted a question post: what are some things you realized when you got mature? This post has got over 216,000 views and 10,000 upvotes and 107 shares. This post is nothing but 10 bullet points, and one of the bullet points has a link to the app she is promoting. And on another post, she asked, what are some things that you realize as you get older? This post has got 1.6 million views, 13,000 upvotes, and 146 shares. And of course, at the bottom of the post, she referred to her bio where she embedded the application link, that the same application she's promoting. The total content views of her profile is 7.7 million, and only this month alone, 2.7 million views were achieved. If we hypothetically calculate she made $5 from each view, just like us, then she made $35 million from these posts and questions from Quora. But that doesn't work that way. She definitely did not make that much money. But it is pretty guaranteed that she made multiple 6 figures from Quora.com just by asking these simple questions and posting these simple bullet points alone. So the question is, how does she choose these questions? If you do a little research, you will see the word mature has over 60,000 related keywords that people use to search on Google, and the word mature is searched 165,000 times per month. The key phrase mature woman dating is searched 1,100 times per month on Google. Mature woman's clothing 5,400 times. Similarly, getting older is a topic that people search heavily on Google. Over 2,000 keywords has millions of searches per month on Google. So how can you make money out of this? Make 1-minute short videos using the software Epic. Get free Epic access from the link in the description. Make short videos about the topics people are looking for on the internet. So there is a reason I always say shorts or shorts videos. You see, I just searched with maturity, and this is the first video, then the second video, and immediately after that, you see this shorts feed. And all these videos, if you look closely, have hundreds of thousands of views. All these videos are 1-minute videos. We use Uber Suggest premium version. If you don't want to pay money on premium version, then I will drop the research results that we have done in this video in the description, so you can access them and use them to start making money with those results. You don't need to be an expert. Just learn from other videos and share your own thoughts in your own video. Answer people's questions with references. This way, your audience will trust you. You have seen how this person on Quora embeds her links in her content and in the bio. Similarly, you can ask your viewers to click your links in the description and in the first comment and purchase from you. If you promote relevant and helpful offers, whether it's your product or affiliate offers, whether it's a digital product or a software product, people will buy from you and you will make money. You can also use Quora to get more views to your videos. So make helpful videos and find questions that are being asked on Quora and getting a lot of attention. Answer those questions using the links to your videos. Also, when you create your Quora account, add your YouTube channel's link in the bio. When people like your answers and your content, they will look for you. They will look at your bio. They will click your links and they will consume your other contents, your videos. They will become your subscribers and eventually your customers. Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button. Then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit. And in a matter of seconds on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome. Or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. In return, we want a simple favor from you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. Also, you can help your friends and family and social media contacts with learning how to make money online by sharing this video with them. Do that and they will love you. They will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers, and they will refer more customers to you, helping you make more money. Plus, you will get notified when we upload our next how to make money online video. And we will see you in the next video.